Hello friends, my name is Tukaram Dikshit. Today's date is 3rd February 2022. Our today's Bible topic is inheritance in Java. What is inheritance? Inheritance in Java is a mechanism which is a object which is an one object acquires all the properties of parent class. That means subclass is all the acquires the all properties of main class or superclass. That is the concept of inheritance in Java. That means it acquires all the properties of all and behaviors of parent class. Parent class. It is an important part of object-oriented programming system. In that, first one is the idea behind the inheritance in Java is that you can create a new classes then that are built up upon existing classes. When you inherit from an existing classes, you can reuse methods and fields of the parent class. Then moreover, you can add new methods and fields in your current class also. In that next point is the inheritance represents is a relationship, that means which is also known as a parent child relationship. In next point in Java, in inheritance, why use inheritance in Java? First one is the for method overloading, and second one is method overloading, and second one is for code reliability. In that, first one is so runtime polymorphism can be achieved in that method overloading. What is the terms used in the inheritance are follows. First one is the class. A class is a group of object which has common properties. It is a templates or blueprint of the blueprint for which object are created. Then next one is the subclass or child class. Subclass is the class which inherits the other class. That means other class or parent class. It is also called as derived class, extended class, or child class. Then next one is super class or parent class. Super class is the class from where the subclass is inherits the all properties. It is also called as a base class or a parent class. The next point is the reusability. As the name specifies, the reusability is a main mechanism which facilitates the you reuse the fields and methods for the existing when class is created a new class. Then you can use the same fields and methods was already defined in the previous classes. Then syntax of the inheritance is the class subclass name, then extends a superclass name. The extend keyword is the extend keyword is indicates that you are the making a new class from the other class that derives from the all properties of the existing class. Then that meaning of the extend is the it is to increase the function increase the functionality increase the functionality. Then the terminology of Java, class which inherited is called as the parent or superclass, and new class is called as child class or subclass. Child class or subclass. Then uh, then uh, then we can use a example of inheritance. Uh, for example is salary, employee, and then salary, and then the next one is a programmer bonus int. In that, as displayed in the above, in that programmer, the subclass of employee, subclass and employee is the superclass. Then the relationship, the two classes is programmer is a relationship. Then it means the program is type of employee. Then in the next point, then the next one in inheritance is the inheritance in Java. On the basis of classes and other can be there are types of inheritance in Java: single multi-level, single, multi-level, and hierarchical. In Java programming, there are in Java programming, multiple hybrid inheritance are supported through inheritance only. We will learn about interface. There are later. Then first one is the first type is the single inheritance. In that, class A is inherits class B is inherits on class A. Then second point is second type is multi-level. And then then third is the in the then third point is the hierarchical. In that, first one is single inheritance example. When a class inherits a other class, then it is known as a single inheritance. In the example, like a dog class inherits a animal class, so there is the single inheritance. Then next point is the then in next point is the multi-level inheritance. For example, when there is a chain of inheritance, it is known as a multi-level inheritance. As we can see, for example of given below, then baby dog class is inherits the dog, and dog class is inherits again inherits the animal class. That is the example of multi-level. It's all about the today's topic. Thank you.